Hello everybody, hope you're well. It's Mark here at the Little Supplement Company. I just want to talk about a my product of the month actually for August. And in all my 20 years of having the store and 30 odd years I've been in the industry generally, supplement and wellness industry, there's sometimes a few products I come across that are just incredible. And this one is for any of you guys who are struggling with your joints. Be it, maybe you're over the age of 35, 40 and you're starting to get a little bit of wear and tear in there. Might be your job, might be a carpet fitter, your knees, bless you. Or just a manual labour, someone who grafts for a living. You might be a sports person, rugby, football, badminton, you name it, where your knees and your joints get a hammering, or your body in particularly in rugby is everything. Or you might just lift weights. You have start of arthritis, you might have inflammation in your joints, you might have tendonitis in your joints. There is a product that's blown my mind. We've had the product for over a year now, 2 years actually, I think it's probably been, and the feedback on it is unbelievably good. And that product is the LSC Joint Complex. The LSC Joint Complex has 3 unbelievably good therapeutically dosed ingredients. MSM, which you can buy on its own, 1000 milligram. You've got hyaluronic acid in there, again you can buy on its own, quite expensive. Unbelievable therapeutic dose, I think it's 500 milligrams. 400 milligrams, my apologies, should know that. And then we've got UC2, which is one of the coolest collagens out there for joint repair. So what this beautiful little product does is it's very anti-inflammatory. So straight away you're going to get some ease from pain and throbbing and aches. It lubricates the joints and the cartilage in particular. So again, it's not going to be that sort of grinding bone on bone feel. Once the cartilage gets lubricated from synovial fluid production. It also, this is the key, repairs damaged tissue. So you're taking away the inflammation, you're lubricating and you're repairing damaged tissue. This can be used for all joint problems. My recommendation from feedback and what I've actually recommended people to do is 2 a day. So this particular is the larger one, 120 capsules. So that's gonna last you 2 months. Absolutely, if you're struggling with your joints, when you've finished your glucosamine, which you're probably taking, or your cod liver oil, have a look at the Joint Complex. Give a small one a try, because honestly, the results have been absolutely mind-blowing. So my product of the month is the LSC Joint Complex. And I'll talk about the ingredients in a little bit more detail in a bit of a longer, boring video. There you go, guys. Have an amazing day. Take care. Bye.